Right? If you want to read it, there's a book called The Story, and there's a Bible. And it has a lot more details to it. We're going to continue to connect this morning and talk. And I'm just curious what your thoughts are. So turn to your neighbors and there's some extra stuff. When you look at God's people and what He had promised Abraham, as we looked at earlier, that they would be a great nation and all this stuff, why had God allowed His people to go through so much? Okay? To be slaves, to be persecuted, to be nobodies. Why do you think He allowed them to do that? Okay? You might not have an answer. You might say, "Go past," or you may be a great theologian and have a pontificated answer. That's fine. We'll just like for you to share it this time. Okay? Ready? Great.